Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to set the time between the slides on your PowerPoint presentation. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your presentation on PowerPoint. Then just follow these simple steps. In this example, I just opened a design that contains too many slides, so I can show you how to do it. So first, we need to go to the transition tab because this is the transition that concerns the animation between the slides. So let's just add uh, an animation or a transition for the slide, and we will give it a duration, and then we will need to give it a timing before it starts. So let's suppose that is 10 seconds, and then we will go to the other slide. For example, if you want to have this one another animation or transition, you can just give it the transition that you want. Then you should make sure that the on mouse click is unchecked because this one it won't have like an automatic transition, but you will need to click each time before to go from the slide to another. And if you want to have one preset for all the slides, all you have to click is apply to all. And if you want to have each slide that has its own timing and its own duration of animations or a transition, you can just customize them individually. So now let's just visualize that what we have done. And as I told you, we uh, made sure that on mouse click is unchecked. So now we will start watching, and the presentation will become will start to transition from uh, from the slide to another automatically. As you can see, I didn't touch the keyboard or the mouse, and it starts sliding or transitioning automatically. Let's just reduce this one, the amount, the timing, and apply to all so we can see it quickly. And as you can see, each 3 seconds it will start transitioning. So basically this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.